Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to keep footer only from first and last page. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to keep footer only from first and last page. Firstly, go to the window menu and select the pages section. Then we can see here show the all page. Now we want to keep footer only from first and last page. Then go to the second page. Then go to the window menu again, select the layer option. Then go to the master page, select the master page and select toggle visibility. And go to the third page and applying the same process. Then check the all page. Now we can see we keep footer only first and last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.